welcome to you. My name's Dayle and this is Dayle's Addiction. I just love this time of month. We are doing a two-part May subscriber unboxing because there is so much bag candy, accessories, ready to wear out there that you want to share with everyone else in this gorgeous little community that we have created. So why not do two videos? I found that videos that kind of tend to go over 10 minutes don't really get the viewing that they deserve. And given that you have put in the time and had the courage in some cases to even put your face on camera, some of you have narrated your own unboxings, which I just love the creativity and the courage that you're putting into sharing your beautiful pieces with us, that you deserve to get the views. And so we're going to break this into two parts. This is part one, and I'm just putting them in the order that I received them. So I hope I have not missed anyone for this unboxing. I do apologize to Victoria. Hi Victoria. I missed her from the April unboxing, so she will be first up in this one. If I have missed you, please let me know. It's not intentional. I try and keep notes in my notes pages of what your Instagram handle is and what you've unboxed, and then I go through and I download them all and then I transfer them all and then I edit. It's quite a process, but I love it. I love it. I get so much joy from it, and it gives me so much joy reading everybody's comments. It's just, it's a special project to be a part of, and I thank Kendra again for this fabulous idea. So if you want to participate in the June subscriber unboxing, here's what you need to do. Film your unboxing, whether or not it's the legitimate unboxing or you just do a reveal, because it is hard to do one-handed, but film it in landscape mode, not portrait mode. It makes it really difficult for me to edit when I get portrait mode things. They don't fill up the whole screen, so I have to kind of zoom in and then cut it into pieces and change where I zoom to make it work. So it'd be great for me if you could film in landscape mode, please. Try and keep your video to around a minute, because that is the size of the file that Instagram will allow you to send me on a DM. Otherwise, it's probably best to put it into a shared folder in your photo app if you've got an iPhone, and email me, daylesaddiction@gmail.com, with the link, and then I can go in and download the file there. However, most of you are making it super easy, and I will work with you. We're all learning on this journey. It's taken me a long time to learn what I know, and I'm still learning. Also, one other thing I wanted to mention is every month from now on, I'm going to award a prize to the most creative unboxing / reveal. So it's not about what you share, but it's about how you share it. And I'm going to be giving away the Dayle's Addiction handbag hook to the video that I think is the most creatively filmed. So there's a little bit of inspiration for you if you didn't. If you don't want to be creative and you still want a Dayle's Addiction handbag hook, which comes in this gorgeous little pink velvet sack, then just head to the link below in the description box and you will see the link for my eBay store where you can purchase them yourselves. And yes, I ship worldwide. So that was a really long intro. I hope you enjoy all the goodies in part one, and I'll see you for part two. Ciao!
Hi Dayle, I'm excited to contribute to this month's unboxing, or more reveal. I didn't want to purchase this initially because of the price increases, but the color I was hoping to find if ever I did see one. So I did bite the bullet, saw this in Chanel, and it's a walk in like the most perfect green. It goes well with white, with blue, with pinks. I mean, it's gonna be great. I can wear this all season, so that's my purchase.
Thanks, Victoria. Now we have Eileen from Victoria here in Australia with this gorgeous Louis Vuitton purchase that she has been considering for quite some time. This capucine, spoiler alert, is fashioned from full grain Tyrolean leather. It's adorned with a unique handle composed of different upcycled leathers inspired by kintsugi, the traditional Japanese crafting technique. The handle's delicate colours and textures contrast with the bag's elegant navy blue body for an exceptional jewel-like effect. Now wait until you see the interior. How divine. sorry for butchering the name.
Greeting Dayle's Addiction family and welcome to my humble abode in the USA. Today I'd like to share my latest handbag purchase from Hermes. And it's the new kid on the block. Let's open it up and see what it is. All right, here we go. It is the In the Loop bag in Vuitton, Clemence leather, and gold hardware. You can kind of see I've already taken it out and put a little twilly on. And this is in the size 18. It also comes in a larger size, but you can see it's a top handle bag and can also be closed. It can be carried open, or you can close it with the Chandon hardware. Like this, so that it sits like that. What a cute little bag. And it can even go over into the crook of your arm. Thank you so much for letting me share this moment with you. If you had fun, we'd love for you to come over and join our Beauty Luxe lover community. We like to geek out on luxury show and tells, shopping vlogs, luxe chit chat, and good old fashioned unboxings. Thank you for having me, Dayle. Bye.
Thanks for joining the fun. Next we have a Fendi unboxing, and what have we got? The perfect neutral regular size Napa leather Fendi baguette. Could you get a more classic, iconic bag of today? A great first purchase from Fendi. Absolutely loving it. Congratulations and well done.
Hi guys, Melissa here. This is a Louis Vuitton bag that I have been eyeing for a couple of years. I tried it on 2 years ago in store, but I couldn't afford it at the time. And unfortunately, they discontinued it. So this is a pre-loved bag, and I am so excited that I was able to get my hands on it. So I did take the strap out just to save on time. I don't want to take up too much of you guys' time. It did come with the dust bag and all of the original paperwork. As you guys can see, she is really tiny but mighty. She does fit quite a bit inside of here. And the bag that I got is the Louis Vuitton utility bag. Isn't she absolutely stunning? She is the perfect size. These front pockets are functional, and it came in brand new condition with all of the paperwork. I am just over the moon, so excited. I cannot wait to start using her. The strap is a beautiful cream color. It says Louis Vuitton all the way around it. It's a guitar strap. I don't own anything with a guitar strap, so I'm excited to try this strap on some of my other bags and some of my other straps on this bag. Thank you guys so much for letting me share my unboxing with you guys.
Hi Dayle, it's Geraldine in Vancouver, and I'm happy to add a little something to your May bag reveal and unboxing. I was really looking for a little pop of color. It's been a long time coming, but finally and at last we have summer beginning to emerge in Vancouver. So I went off to my favorite store where they have those lovely bags, Hermes, and brought home with me this little cutie. And I can tell you it's not me that did the bow, it is my essay. So it's a Picotin 18 in this year's Vert Comique, and it's a verso, so it has the blue straps, interior straps. So I think it's going to be really a well-used bag over the summer.
Hi Dayle! I've got two things to share with you, but I'm starting with Fendi. So last time, a luxury lover in Singapore showed us some beautiful colibri heels, and you helped me find them. In the end, I ended up having to go to the Amsterdam Fendi store. I'm from the Netherlands, and they had one last pair my size, so obviously I got them. It was my first purchase from Fendi as well, and it was so worth it because look at them. They are so beautiful and so comfortable. And the people in Fendi are so nice. So yeah, I just love them. And then very quickly, I also got a new Loewe bag that is new to me. Got it from Vestiaire Collective, pre-loves. And I love, love, love it. So look forward to seeing what everyone else has got. Thanks, Dayle. Bye.
This next selection from Fragabilissima, the Samantha Vintage Baguette, as seen in Sex and the City Season 3, Episode 14. What a die-hard fan she is. She has a fabulous Fendi collection. Go and check her out on Instagram. I've put this on slow-mo just so I can drool over it a little bit. Divine. Next, you can see the neon nano baguette from the new Marc Jacobs Fendi collaboration. This one, you've got to see it in person. It absolutely glows. It's stunning. And when you want a piece of a collection, the nano baguette is a great option. Just a little slice of heaven. Speaking of heaven, welcome to the latest Muppet to join the collection. This is a pre-loved medium Fendi baguette in purple sheep's fur from 2019. This baguette is next level fun. I love it, and Fraga Bellissima is a perfect owner for it. This next little video is from Missy is Living. She's a global citizen. I think she lives in Victoria in Australia and shops in Jakarta quite a bit. Her Instagram is on fire. Please go and check her out. So great of her to share her recent oversized luggage tag bag from Louis Vuitton in full vachetta leather. What a nightmare, but also a fabulous bag at the same time. I look forward to seeing her style this one on Instagram. Thanks, Missy. Next, we have a luxury lover from Hong Kong unboxing several pieces for us. First, we have the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy in Empreinte leather in the Pearly Lagoon turquoise colour. What a delightful colour this bag is. And the leather looks absolutely lush. How divine. That's a really special piece, especially with the silver hardware too. And then we'll move along to the next item from Fendi. Woohoo! We love a Fendi unboxing. And what do we have here? A little baby box. And to reveal the Marc Jacobs Fendi collaboration in the gorgeous crystal nano. Oh my goodness. I've held back from this one because this is indeed an indulgence. Close to 2,000 Australian dollars.
So I think a girl can get used to this unboxing stuff. So here I have a new LV to unbox for you. I didn't get this with my $4,000 Pouchet Matisse, so I'm very grateful to have this. Of course, here's the bill. So cute. And it has a little tag and the wrapping paper. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't get all this when I got my other bag. So sweet. Love the details. I am so excited about this. Have a great day. Thank you.